Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to the 2024 Ramadan Quiz Wiz. Today we are here with your two teams, the Brampton Believers sponsored by Style and Stitches IMG and the Toronto Takbeers sponsored by Global Immigration and Investment Services. We want to thank the rest of our sponsors, Auto Emporium, Dean and Associates Accounting, Sacred Hands Foundation, Iqra Relief Canada, Kebab East Korai Milton, Non-Guys, Pan Am Blinds, and Quality Care Pharmacy. My name is Saad and I'm here with my co-host
Ibrahim.
And we hope we have a good contest today.
Yeah, hopefully. I'm very excited to see what these teams have in store for us today.
Yeah. So, you want to start it off?
I think we'll kick it off with the Toronto Takbeers and then we'll move to the Brampton Believers.
Okay.
So my question for the Toronto Takbeers and Kashif and Ahmed is, what happened to Bani Israel when they demanded to see Allah? A. They went to sleep. B. They were in hibernation. C. They were struck by a thunderbolt. Or D. They were electrocuted. You have 10 seconds.
They were struck by a thunderbolt.
Just read it. Thunderbolt. And the answer is correct. And the next question is for Yahya and Maryam. And the question is, who vowed to dedicate Maryam to Bayt al-Maqdis? A. Her brother. B. Her father, Imran. C. Her guardian, Zakaria. Or D. Her mother, Hannah bint Faqud.
The answer is D. Her mother, Hannah bint Faqud.
That's the correct answer. Very well done.
So first round for the Toronto Takbeers, they come out with full points, putting the pressure on the Brampton Believers. So let's see if Brampton can also get full points in this round. So let's move over to Brampton's questions, and we'll start with Hafsa and Aiza. The first question is between you two. Computer? Prophet Isa alayhi salam was sent to which nation of people? Was it A, the children of Israel, B, all of mankind, C, leprechaun, or D, the Romans?
You have 10 seconds.
A. Children of Israel.
A. Children of Israel.
That's the correct answer. Okay, let's swiftly move on to Bilal and Ayan. This next question is for you to stay on the same amount of points as Toronto. Which prophet led the prayer during the night of Isra when they gathered in Bayt al-Maqdis? Was it A, Prophet Adam alayhi salam, B, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, C, Prophet Isa alayhi salam, or D, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam?
The answer is D, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
That's the correct answer.
So with the end of the first round, I can see both teams are swiftly moving through each question.
Yeah.
No thinking, and they just answer it. That's very well done.
Yeah, I see a lot of knowledge coming from both teams. Two very strong teams here. We see they get full points, don't slip up at all. They're consulting well with their teammates, which obviously is something we like to see here. We'll see what they can do in the individual round next.
Yeah, and then I think I'd like to, you can start with the Toronto Takbeers.
Okay, let's go left to right, and let's start with Maryam. So computer, first question. Mention in An-Nisa, when we are in difficulty, we should choose all of the correct answers. A, blame others. B, ask ourselves, what wrong did I do? C, seek forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Or D, curse our destiny.
The answer is B and C. Ask ourselves what wrong did I do, then seek forgiveness from Allah.
Those answers are both correct.
So now I'll ask Yahya the next question. So computer, if we get to know something, we should A, spread it as soon as we know. B, listen, investigate, understand, and then spread if necessary. C, just pass it on without even understanding. Or D, add on more and spread so that we are in good books of others.
B. B is the right answer.
I'm seeing a very strong Toronto team here. What do you think?
I think they're doing really well as compared to other rounds. They're blazing through every question.
2 of 4 in the second round so far. If they go 4 of 4, then the pressure's on Brampton to only maximum go get a tie. But we're not done yet. We still have 2 more Toronto players to go. And so let's ask Ahmad the next question. Computer. In Surah Al-Ma'idah, what is the Quranic term for showing the concept of showing compassion and mercy to others? Is it A, Tawbah, B, Dua, C, Dhikr, or D, Rahmah?
D, Rahmah.
D, Rahmah is the correct answer.
And last but not least, Kashif, to end it off, the perfect run, the perfect game for the Toronto Takbeer. Computer? Surah Al-Araf mentions that those who associate partners with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will face A, material wealth, B, spiritual enlightenment, C. Punishment in the hereafter, or D. Honors and awards?
C. Punishment in the hereafter.
That's
C,
the
punishment in the
correct
hereafter
answer.
is correct.
Okay, so Toronto here with full points, and we'll see if Brampton can even get 1 point here, because to get even 1 point, they need to get every single answer correct. And if they get one wrong, that's 0 points for them from this entire game.
One thing I noticed about Toronto this round is that it's the first time that they've gotten every single thing correct.
Yeah.
And that just goes to show that after failure doesn't just mean that you lose, that it's over. You can still come back and you can still make your team proud, just like you've made us all proud today.
Yeah, we've seen determination and perseverance from Toronto to come back and not let anything beat them down, and know that they still have a chance to do anything.
Yeah. So now let's start back up with the Brampton Believers, and I think the first question will be for Ayan. What was the name of Bilal's mother? A. Was it Amina? B. Hamama? C. Fatima? Or D. Khadija?
The answer is B. Hamama.
B. Hamama is the correct answer. So now the second question for Brampton is from Hafsa. And my question to you is, who was the father of Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anh? A. Was it Hazrat Ali radiallahu anh? B. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anh? C. Hazrat Khalid ibn Walid radiallahu anh? Or D. Hazrat Umar radiallahu anh?
The answer is B, Hazrat Abu Bakr.
Hazrat Abu Bakr is the right answer. Very well done. So now I'll ask the third question from Bilal, and your question is, Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anhu's elder sister's name was A. Hazrat Fatima radiallahu anhu, B. Hazrat Khatija radiallahu anhu, C. Hazrat Sumayya bin Khabat radiallahu anhu, or D. Hazrat Asma radiallahu anhu.
Answer is D. Hazrat Asma radiallahu anha.
And now your fourth and final question, Aiza, and your question is, what does Ar-Rahman mean in English? A. The most merciful, B. The most powerful, C. The beneficent, or D. The trustworthy?
A, most merciful.
A. Most merciful.
Oh, unfortunately, that's the incorrect answer. So the right answer is C, the beneficent or gracious. And with that being said, the Toronto Takbeers take this win. It was a very close game. It's a big win for the Toronto Takbeers. They get a perfect game. Unfortunately for Brampton, they lose it out on the last question, but it's okay. They're in a good position leaderboard-wise, and this was a great matchup overall. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it was really well done, because I'm very proud of Toronto, because honestly, this is their first win, and they've done, and what the improvement I've seen from them from the beginning, when they were like losing kind of difficultly, and they were trying to salvage what they have. After all that practice and dedication, they came back and they finally won their first game, and that's very, very amazing. It just shows, it just goes to show how much, like, how important hard work is.
Yeah.
And for the Brampton Believers, there's still like a lot of wins that you have in your belt. So don't like undermine yourselves just because of one wrong question.
So with that being said, I'd like to again thank the sponsors of each teams, Style & Stitch and Global Immigration and Investment Services. And we'll see you guys tomorrow and back at the Ramadan Quiz West 2024.